Hey, it's Nick, and I'm here with another Fat Guy review from someone named FIOBOC, or FIOBOC. I don't really know what it stands for, but they reached out to me and said, hey, we make t-shirts too. You should put your fat butt into one of our t-shirts and see how it fits. And at first I said, looking at your website, it doesn't feel like our brands are going to match up. Like, everyone on your website is skinny and fit, and you have slim fit things and stretchy workout clothes, but they assured me that they do have shirts that are a little bit stretchier or a little more roomy in the gut. So I said, all right, we'll send them to me and we'll see what I can, I'll try them on and see what they look like. So they did. They sent me two shirts. I got a blue one and a white one, and they are just standard classic fit shirts. So I'm going to be comparing those to the fresh clean tee that I'm wearing right now. These are the shirts that I wear all the time. Like, after all the reviews, these are the best for me. So I'm excited to try on FIOBOC or FIOBOC. I don't know. I'm going to give it a shot and see how they compare. So let's try on the first one, white. Fat Guy's favorite color. Whew, it's chilly. It made my nips hard almost immediately. Yeah, the fabric's not what I thought it was. That's interesting. I thought that this was going to be like a cotton feeling fabric, but it's more of like, it's like a cool fabric. I don't know what to call it. I mean, let's see. I have the tag right here. Stretch fabric made with Sorona. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's like a cooling fabric. It feels really nice, but it's just not like that cotton softness. So it's probably unfair to compare these two shirts. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. It's cozy and it feels nice on my skin, but it's not cotton. I'm also chilly now. Like, I'm cold. Let me try the blue one. Here's a long sleeve version of the shirt. I mean, I don't like the way it looks per se, just because the fabric kind of like, it's not clingy, but it goes to your shape, as opposed to like cotton where I can kind of hide some stuff. But it does feel really nice. Like, the fabric quality on this is good. I don't know if I'd be confident wearing it outside. Not looking at that camera right now. But they have like the curved hem at the bottom too, so you can see that it's like, it's not like flat or things like that. It does still feel a little short for me. Like, I feel like it worked out. Thanks for that curved helmet. So it would probably be better for people that don't have a little weight on them, though. If this is it, it is stretchy. Like, it does like heck a stretch. But stretchy isn't always good on chubby. You know, like, just because it stretches around my belly doesn't mean I'm happier with it. Like, they did send me a code right here that you can use at their website, FIOBOC.com. If you want to try them out and see how you feel, maybe this shirt, like, maybe you're watching it and you're like, well, I'm not fat and that looks pretty comfy. It is definitely cozy. And if you want to try it for 20% off, you can just use that link. I don't know, what do you think? Does it look good? It feels nice. The shirt has more confidence than I do. Let me know if you try it out.